Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mahendra Mardika, and today I want to present about simple strategies academic can use to help students improve their writing skills. This article describes 16 simple strategies that university academics do not teach a writing course can use to help their students improve their writing. The strategies are based on the teaching experience of the authors and follow a teaching model that includes motivating method, writing instruction, writing practice, and constructive feedback. The strategies are important because so many university students show poor writing skills. Also, students who write well can almost always improve. Model for helping students improve their writing skills. Academic who teach topic other than writing can help university students improve their writing skills by increasing student motivation to have good writing skills, including by providing a model who's someone who tries well and tries to improve his or her writing. B. Providing some instruction in writing process and rules. And C. Providing writing practice. And D. Giving students constructive feedback about their writing. With high motivation, students will find ways to improve their writing and will persist in the effort. To write well, students need to apply appropriate processes, such as starting early and to apply and the rules of writing, such as grammar rules, instruction, help provide students well information about how to write well. Practice with feedback increase writing skills. Writing skills help most when students receive clear, specific, constructive feedback about what they have done well in writing and what they could do better in the future. Specific strategies for helping students improve writing skills. These 16 strategies are organized according to the order in which an academic might use them. Following a strategy is a word that describes whether that strategy targets motivation, instruction, practice, and or feedback. We have used these strategies in our teaching of psychology course. Number 1. Emphasize to students that good writing skills are important, both to their satisfactory completion of the course and to their future career. Encourage students to improve their writing skills or motivation. 2. Providing students with an anecdote about the application about substandard writing or the value of good writing. For example, you might talk about a former student hired primarily to write. 3. Tell students how good writing has benefited you and you try to improve your writing. And 4. Encourage students to pay close attention to the grammar and punctuation they see in textbook and other books and articles. 5. Encourage students to complete a practical writing course. 6. Refer students to university creative writing skill websites. 7. Explain to students that certain writing skill is fundamental to almost all types of writing, but there are also purpose-specific writing skill and style. And 8. Tell students that with practice and feedback on performance, they can improve their writing. That learning a complex skill like writing takes effort at that once a certain level of skill has been reached, the processes of writing become increasingly enjoyable. And 9, describe to student to process you used to write journal article and report and how using the process benefit you. This process might include starting with an outline, completing several drafts of the document, checking the writing against requirement, and asking another individually to proofread the document. And 10, give student information containing important writing rules. 11, toward the end of a class session, ask student to spend 5 minutes writing a summary of the content of the session. And 12, give a writing assignment and in the marking criteria set aside a specific number of points of writing quality. And 13, describe to students before they complete a writing assignment the most common writing errors made by students in the past, as well as the rules the errors violate. 14, the extent visible correct writing error on student paper and provide print statement of the rules violated by the errors. 15, encourage students to learn and rules they violated in making writing errors. 16, praise students freely for excellent or improved writing. I think that's all for me. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy, and goodbye.